Hi, namaste everyone. How are you all? I hope you guys are safe and secure in this pandemic situation. My name is Bhanudas Apolkar. I'm making this video for safety and security professionals who have planned to join our forum and who have already joined safety and security field, but they have struggling a lot how to achieve their goals, achievements, how to handle this forum and career plannings. That all things I will cover in this video. I'll take like 5 minutes only, not much. Before that, I would like to talk about me. My name is Bhanudas Apolkar. I am from Maharashtra, Ahmednagar. I was started my career as a security guard in Group 4 security. So I worked with like main gate, main post, time office, service area, patrollings, all that works I have done in my tenure, and that's called totally hard works. I worked in Mumbai during rain time, like in Mumbai, 15 and more days raining there, and at that time, I was standing like in main gate. Rain is there, rain was there, and too much difficult and tough time for me. But I thought I decided something in my mind. I want to achieve something. I want to grow something. So that's always keep in my mind and around me. So I worked like 2.5 years in Group 4 security, and after that I got good opportunity in Grand Hyatt Mumbai. So I joined there as a security officer, and my career and my target, almost I feel that all things are there. And it was a lovely team and lovely boss who guided me a lot, how to do, when to do, what to do, and all things he was covered. And I just spent 2.5 years. I was handling nightclub of event operations, parking management, VIP management, that all things. And I have a good physics, so every celebrity once comes in our hotel, only I have to go with them. I was escorted them very nicely. That all things I done in Grand Hyatt Mumbai, and I got a good experience in Grand Hyatt Mumbai. Yeah, I after that I moved to Dhamara Powai. I joined as a loss prevention supervisor, but I spent like 1 year there because once again I got good opportunity in Western Pune. I joined Western Pune as a security executive. I worked with Mr. Nina Jadov, Brigadier Rajay Prakash. Lovely boss I got in my careers, and they guide me a lot. And because of that, I am sitting in Renaissance Bangalore. Yeah, I did good works over there. Brigadier Rajay Prakash gave me lots of responsibilities, which I have done very nicely. And I was handled Q-Bar, nightclub operation, of course. Yeah. Like after 2.5 years later, I joined Amonora Mall, Pune. But I just was spent there like 6 months, not much, because hotel industry and mall industry is quite different and difficult as well. So I thought that I have to move to back in my hotel industry. I got again an offer from Hyatt Regency Pune as a security assistant manager. I joined there like 1 year and 6 months only. I was worked with Hyatt Regency Pune, and I got internal transfers offer. So I moved Pune to Hyderabad. Yeah, as a HOD, I joined Hyatt Hyderabad. But language difference, state difference, peoples, all things totally totally new for me. But yeah, my boss was very particular about his assessment and responsibilities. He gave me a lots of supports. He always encouraged me, motivated me, and yeah, I did my work successfully. and during that time I got good awards also, like US Consulate awards I received. Yeah, after that, yes, currently I'm working with the Marriott hotels like Renaissance. So Renaissance is a part of Marriott. So guys, like 12 and a half years journey, I would say. 2007 I started my career, and now 2020. Very tough, very memorable things I have done in my career. Okay, and always I think hard work, hard work, hard work. That's it. You don't need to किसी का खास होना, किसी के बारे में क्या आप सोचते हो, that don't think in your mind. This is a best solution and best idea I am sharing you. Do not think that मैं उसका खास नहीं हूँ इसलिए मेरा प्रमोशन नहीं हो रहा है, and that all things. Don't keep in your mind. Correct? Please keep in your mind. You just do your hard work. Show your passions. Show your efforts. Yeah. If you showing your efforts, of course management will see that observations. Yeah, this guy is working hard, and of course somebody is there who will observe you. Don't think that you are working and nobody is seeing you. Yes, somebody there, and he will watch you how you handle and how you handle any critical incident. So please keep in your mind, you ready for hard work and patience and ready for any task. Do not think that I am working in security, I am working in safety department, and I have particular job and I will do that only. No, you can do whatever you want. Okay, if somebody said that you handle event, no problem. Take as a learning, take as a challenge. Yeah, and once you're done, see the result. That result will, I don't have word for that result. Okay, so guys, safety and security professional is very, very nice for me, I would say. Okay, and this is for everyone. Do not thinking that in a hotel industry front office department is very nice, culinary, HR. No, every department is very nice, every department, but that up to you how you handle. And again, hard works. Department doesn't matter, your hard works matter. Okay, and as I said, ready for new tasks. Don't say no, don't say no ever. Just ready for your task. I am sure everybody will like you. Okay, so that's it. And who have a plan to join Safety and Security Forum, do not worry about it. Yeah, if somebody joined, somebody have planned to join engineering field, doctors field. Yeah, if he have a good money or planning, of course they should. But many people in India who have who already working in security. Okay, but like 5 years, 10 years, they're working as a security guard only. They do not think, they don't think that कि मुझे कुछ बनना है. वो ये वीडियो उस लोगों के लिए है जिनको सिक्योरिटी में ऑलरेडी 5 to 10 years का एक्सपीरियंस भी है, बट उनको आगे का प्लेटफॉर्म दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. गाइस, ये एक ऐसा फोरम है, यहाँ पे अनलिमिटेड ऑफर्स है जो कहाँ पे भी नहीं है. सी, if you think about safety and security future, I would say in mall industry, hotel industry, MNC, any nitrogen gases, बहुत सारे कंपनीज है. हर एक कंपनी में आज आपको सिक्योरिटी एंड सेफ्टी एनवायरनमेंट दिखाई देता है. क्यों? बिकॉज it's requirement, guys. Everybody is asking for safety and security, right? So guys, a good future in Safety and Security Forum. Please join with us, okay, and be ready for challenge. Yes, safety and security is very challengeable job. It's not easy. It's not a easy job कि मतलब मैं join करूँगा, मैं थोड़ा सा सीखूँगा and I'll get promote. No, never. It's very challenging job. Yeah, thank you so much for watching my video, and I would like to say best of luck to everyone, and thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.